All right, now you see that the spinach has broken down. Same for the garlic. As you can see, the spinach is broken down. Flavors are reducing, starting to get a little bit more liquid in there. We're going to go ahead and do one of our last steps, add the garlic. This isn't the last step because we still have some onions and seasoning to add. So go ahead and throw that in there. Stir this around. Let all the ingredients start to mix together. Ooh, now I can smell the garlic. That's a great smell. Let this cook for a little bit longer. Turn the heat up a little bit. At this point, since there's so much in here, we can go ahead and make sure that everything's off the side and kind of put it flat on the bottom so it starts to cook evenly. We're just going to let this cook for about 30 more seconds. Make sure you keep on stirring. You don't want any of the pieces to stick to the bottom.